Are you tired of dealing with sacroiliac joint pain, maybe low back pain? Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa, and in today's class, we are focusing on a whole body approach to ease tension, build strength, and get you relief. Go grab your mats, and let's do this. If you happen to have some yoga blocks or pillows, go ahead and grab that. If not, no worries, I've got you covered. We're gonna get started laying down on our backs today. And just find a comfortable position to get started. We're just gonna take a couple breaths in. The knees can be bent, those legs can be out straight. Just take a couple breaths, exploring, noticing maybe you kind of wiggle those hips left and right, just checking in. Awesome, take one more breath in here. And then exhale, slowly let it all go. Nice. Slide those legs back in, and we're gonna move the feet so they're mat distance apart. Those arms can come straight like a T or out like a cactus. And we're gently gonna let the legs rock from left to right. Just checking in to see what you feel, what you notice in the back. And especially throughout today's class, really check in left side versus your right side. What are you noticing the difference? What feels tight? Where does it feel different strength-wise, left to right? Nice. One more breath in here. And bring everything back through towards center. Those arms come back down by your side. You're gonna slide those heels in towards your sit bones. You're gonna exhale, press down into your feet, gently lift those hips up. And then slowly lower down. As you're lowering down, we're gonna drop the hips to the left. We're gonna roll onto our left side and take your right leg, kick your right leg out towards the side. That right arm can go out like a T. Half of a T. Bring it back through towards center. Exhale, press, lift those hips up. This time we're gonna drop it down to the right hand side. Left arm goes out. Let the legs roll to the left. Take that left arm, reach it out. Left leg. Bring it back in towards center. Exhale, press, lift those hips up. Slowly drop it down. Take that right leg, kick your right leg out towards the side. It doesn't have to go out completely straight. You're just exploring what you feel in your hips, in the pelvis, in your low back, up into your mid back. Drop it down, roll to the right. Take that left leg, send your left leg straight out. Bring it back. We're gonna go one more time each side. Exhale, lift, take your time. Stay with the breath, in and out. Nice, drop it back down. Last time, kick that left leg out straight. Nice, breath in. Bring everything back through towards center. Arms come back down by your side. Now your left leg is gonna go out. Pull your right knee in towards your chest. Lengthen through that left leg. And you're just gonna take your right leg, kind of pull your right leg out towards the side. Bring it back in, maybe a little bit across. Going over towards the right. And bring it back in. What do you feel in the front of the hip? Stay with your breath. Keep pulling that leg in for 3, 2, last 1. Now take that right leg over towards the left-hand side. Right arm is gonna go out towards the side and just turn and take a peek. Nice, gentle breath in. Exhale, slowly let it go. Take one more breath in here. Bring everything back through towards center. You're gonna take the right foot, place that right foot back down on the ground and slide your heel in towards your sit bone. We're just gonna exhale, press, lift the hips up. Maybe the hips don't even unweight, but you're driving in through that right foot. You wanna feel the right glute fire up. Here is fine. Maybe it's a little bit higher, but we wanna feel it in the glute. Lower back down. Right knee pulls in towards your chest. Bring it over towards the left-hand side. Turn and take a peek. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. Back through towards center. Press into that foot. Exhale, lift. Inhale, slowly bring it back down. One more time through. Bring that leg in and over towards the left. Take a nice breath in. Exhale, let it all go. Inhale, bring everything back to center. Press that right foot back down into the ground. Lower back down. And then we'll switch. So pull the left leg in, right leg is gonna go out. Pull the left knee in towards your chest. Grab hold of the top of it, and we're gonna bring the leg over towards the left and bring it back across towards center. Bring it out and back in. Using that breath from side to side. Nice work for 3, 2, last 1. Now we're gonna take the left leg, bring the left leg over towards that right hand side. Left arm goes out to the side like a T, and just hold for a breath, exploring your mid back up into that left shoulder, down into the left hip. Exhale, let it go. Slowly spin everything back down to the ground. Left foot comes down. We're setting up, reach through the right heel. Left heel pulls in towards your sit bone. Exhale, press and lift. And again, it doesn't have to come off the ground. We're just pushing the foot into the ground so we feel that left glute. Lower back down, pull your left knee in towards your chest, bring it over towards that right hand side. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. Come back through towards center. Push that left foot down, lift up. Nice, last time through, pull your left knee in towards your chest, bring it over towards the side. Nice breath in. And exhale, let it go. Pull everything back through towards center. Push that left foot down into the ground. Exhale, lift up. And bring everything back down. Slide those legs in, and we're gonna come and roll our yoga mat up. Now you can roll it up maybe 3 or 4 inches. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, you'll just roll it up so it's a little thicker. And you're gonna take the yoga mat, we're starting on our left-hand side, and just place it right below that left armpit. We're gonna bring those knees in towards our chest, lower all the way down. And you can use a pillow for your head or just let your head fall. Now we wanna keep those hips stacked. We want to breathe into the sides of our rib cage. And exhale, let it go. Maybe the right arm comes all the way overhead. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. And just trying to open up, expand that rib cage out. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. If this is feeling great, you can stay right here. If you wanted to add on, you can take that left hand, pull those knees in towards your chest. So we're pinching the knees together. And then we're gonna take the right arm, lift your right arm up and back behind, but don't let the right hip drop back. We're gonna think of giving ourselves some resistance in this twist. So we're gonna push the left hand down into that top right thigh. You're gonna exhale, push. Try to turn your body to face the left, but it's not going. Nice breath in. And then when you exhale, soften, get heavy, see if you can sink a little deeper. We're gonna give us a little rotation again. So exhale, push. Try to turn your body to face the left. And then soften. Now we're just gonna do the opposite this time. So now you're gonna push that left hand down and try to turn your body away. Give yourself a little bit of resistance. And then exhale, soften, and it's gentle. Like you're not trying to push as hard as you possibly can. Nice breath in, exhale, sink. Then we'll gently roll onto our back. The yoga mat is gonna be right below the shoulder blades. Take a nice gentle breath in. Exhale, slowly let it go. And just check the pressure that you're feeling right in between the shoulder blades. Maybe you take those arms, reach your arms all the way up overhead. Maybe the arms come back down by your side. You're just careful to not overarch through that low back. If it feels good to lift those arms, maybe you do that a couple more times, just following your breath, being nice and gentle in, nice and gentle out. Nice, one more time here. Awesome. Bring those arms back down, and we're gonna roll onto our right hand side. So that yoga mat stays right below that right armpit. Knees come in towards your chest. Your head gets nice and heavy. Those hips stay nice and stacked, and you're gonna take that left arm, sweep your left arm all the way up overhead, and you're breathing to the sides, the front, the back of that rib cage, expanding out. And use the yoga mat as some feedback to give you resistance with that breath. Nice breath in. Nice breath out. Awesome. Take one more breath here. And if this is feeling really good, you can stay right here. If you wanted to add on, you can take your right hand to the top of that left thigh. Left arm comes straight back behind, but we're not letting the left hip fall back. Okay, we're gonna push the right hand down into the top of the left thigh and try to think of rotating the body to face the right. All right, here we go. Push the hand down into the thigh. Try to turn that body nice. Isometric hold. We're just holding that. And then slowly let it go. Nice gentle push down into the thighs. Try to turn the body to face the right. Nice breath in. On the exhale, sink and get a little heavier. Awesome job. Now this time when we push down into the thigh, we're gonna think of turning the chest to face the left-hand side. So just the opposite of what we were doing. Nice breath in, give a push down, try to twist. Exhale, get super heavy. One more breath in here, just sinking in. And then slowly bring that left arm back to the side. Press yourself, come all the way back up. Rolling out that mat. We're gonna come up into a tabletop position. Pressing down into those hands, lengthen out through the crown of your head. And we're gonna take your right leg, send your right leg straight back behind. Press into the top of that left shin. And you're just gonna exhale, float the right leg up, and tap it back down. Exhale, push into the left shin, float the right leg. You wanna feel it in that right glute, lower back down. Exhale, push and lengthen. Awesome, one more time. Lift and lengthen up. And then lower that leg back down. You're gonna take your right knee, pull your right knee in towards your chest, step that foot forward. We're gonna spin our left shin back behind and take your right knee over those toes. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. Kneeling warrior two. Think of opening up those hips, sink a little deeper. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it all go. Now you can take that left hand behind the back of your head and take your left elbow towards that right knee. And then slowly peel your chest open towards the sky. Elbow down towards your knee. Awesome work. Slowly peel that chest open. One more time, we're gonna take elbow down towards your knee. And then peel your chest, lift it open. Awesome job. Slowly spin everything back to face the front of your mat. Take that right leg, scooch your right leg back. Now here's where if you have your pillow or a block, go ahead and grab that and you're gonna place it in between those knees. We're keeping that rib cage over our pelvis so we're not sinking in that chest. You're gonna exhale, squeeze the block, blow out those candles, and feel core, pelvic floor kicking on. Inhale, soften everything. Exhale, squeeze the block. Inhale, soften. Exhale, blow out those candles, squeeze in around the block. Inhale, soften. Nice job. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, soften. 2 more times. Exhale, squeeze around that block. Inhale, soften. Last time. Exhale, squeezing. Inhale, soften. Let's take that block out. Move the block off towards the side. We're gonna take your left shin, drive your left leg back, press down into the top of that right foot. Left leg, exhale, lift, and then tap those toes down. Now, if it doesn't feel good lifting, you can keep that foot on the ground and press through the back heel. Exhale, lengthen from the hip and bring it back down. You're wanting to feel it in that glute. We're not wanting to get the back moving. Exhale, lift. Inhale, drop it back down. Exhale, reach through the back heel, lift. Inhale, drop it down. Awesome work for 3, 2. Nice job. Last 1. And then take your left knee, drive your left knee in towards your chest, step that foot forward. You're gonna spin that right shin back behind. We're thinking of opening up those hips into that kneeling warrior 2. Pull the right side of your rib cage back, drive that left knee forward over your toes, opening up the hips. And again, check in left side, right side. What do you feel? What do you notice? Awesome, take 1 more breath in here. Exhale, let it go. And maybe if you want to add on, you take that right hand behind the back of your head. You're going to take that right elbow down towards your left knee, and then spin your chest back open towards the ceiling. That right shoulder blade comes forward, elbow towards your left knee, and then the right shoulder blade goes towards your spine, open your chest up. Nice, 1 more time, elbow to knee, and then peel that chest, lift it open. Spin everything back to face the front of your mat. Take that left leg, scooch your left leg back. Coming onto plank on your knees, plank on those toes. We're gonna slowly lower all the way down towards the ground. Inhale, think of pulling yourself forward, really opening up through the mid-back baby cobra. Maybe the tops of the feet are pressing down, gentle squeeze of the glutes. We wanna feel like this nice C curve through that spine. Lower all the way back down. Lift those hips up and back, sink it back into child's pose. You could also come into down dog. Wiggle your hips left and right, breathing into your low back. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it all go. Awesome, take 1 more breath in here. Exhale, let it go. And then pull yourself, come forward. And just making your way, find a comfortable seated position. Take a nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. And just checking in to see how you feel from start to finish with this class. We're gonna take a nice big cleansing breath in. Lift those arms all the way up overhead. Exhale, bring those hands down towards heart center. Thanking your body for your practice today. Keep up the good work. If you're wanting to learn more exercises like these, go ahead and check out this link up here. And we've got tons of resources for you down below if you're wondering how to use your core and your pelvic floor system optimally without just constantly squeezing and doing Kegels. Until next time.